At GCU, we believe that the best, if not the only way to learn business is to actually do business through hands-on experiences and real-world applications. That means from your first day on GCU's campus, you should be building your own company or working for one of our startups through Canyon Ventures or startup investor groups through our Canyon Angels. For those with an idea for their own company, the Idea Club provides a space to meet weekly, to discuss logistics, and a Shark Tank to present your ideas with fellow students and peers. Students also have the opportunity to raise capital through our Canyon Challenge business plan competition. We run that every semester.
My freshman year, I came up with an idea to open up a barbershop on campus, and within the next month or so, Mr. Kelly and the other great leaders of Idea Club helped me turn that idea into a reality and got me connected with the right people to move my idea forward.
So I have a business called Elevate. It's women's activewear. Just being plugged in with the Idea Club and going to the meetings really helped me pour my pitch together and grow community, grow different friends, and it'll give you preparation for whatever you do like in the workforce, whether it's like business or not.
We always wanted to do a product line. That was always like the dream. So I got plugged in with the right people and the right resources here, such as like the Venture Center and just some of the people that work for me now. We got it all figured out, and so now we have a product line that we're in revenue with. We competed in the Canyon Challenge last semester. We got second place.
No matter where you are in your business journey, this club is for you. And we're just a bunch of friends who love business.
Here at Idea Club, we have turned multiple different ideas into reality, and we want you to be next.
Learn how you can get involved today at gcu.edu/business.